This one was a Memphis Belle World War II DVD, and he goes for the DVD. Let's hear it one more time for Fred Gellerup, 91 years old today. Coming in
Love the car.
place at 89 and a half years old, Don Johnson from the United States Army, served in Panama 1960 to 1966.
This is a Ford.
It may take him a while to get up here. I'll continue calling other names.
It would be if it was a Buick GS 400 or 350.
Bob Markowski. Bob Markowski. United States Navy from 1955 to 1959. Comes in at 86 years old.
I'll get there. Look at that paint job. How much room are in these? This is what I was excited for. Dude, it's dual carb.
Coming in at 86 years old, it's Garvin Shields. Served in the United States Army and National
Smells like root
Guard
beer in here.
from 1961 to 1967.
Oh, there's a little pause button right here I can just hit, so it's all in one recording then.
89 and a half years old. One more time, right here. America loves you. Compliments to yours truly, DJ Sonny, on that one. He's gonna try to become the oldest. Still looking for Garvin Shields. Garvin Shields.
Oh yeah, I'll drive this.
And Randy McCurry.
Bro, if they handed me the keys to any of these, I would drive them.
United States Air Force from 1959 to 1965 in Japan. Nothing like this.
I wish I could zoom my camera out. It's like too focused in. Yeah, like I can't get the whole car because of how close it is. I can't back it up, it won't let me. But they'll just have to accept with what they got. This one? I can't see in there, so. No, really? That's what I want, is the braided stainless steel heater hoses on mine. Hey Logan, it's got a record player in it. That is awesome.
Oh wow, that's old.
Dude, this thing is, I would drive that.
This is the first. Never did this before. This is an interesting story.
Oh, it's got a loft up on top. That's awesome. Dude, mine's original and unrestored.
And what was unique about your service in the United States Navy that you were just telling me about your phone?
The most exciting thing was for me to lead a group of Marines ashore in a place called Chu-Lai, South Vietnam, May 5th, 1965. As it turns out, there were 27 vehicles taking the Marines ashore.
Ladies and gentlemen, give this Americans there with a United States flag on the back. Once again, what was your name?
Bob Ellis.
Bob Ellis. One more round of applause. And that's the way it was, way back.
Dude, they did an amazing job on this. 57 Bel Air. Yeah. Dude, it's pink. I would drive that. She's a Mercury.
You can make the mountains rain. They'll make the angels cry.
How much? Because I can't afford it.
If you could see it smile, I would pay himself.
Some may come and some may go.
All you need is a little bit of
They got a big
I wish I had that center console in the Buick.
Return as far as at last.
Oh yeah.
We are but a moment's sunlight fading in the grass. Come on. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother. Everybody get together. Try to love one another right now.
This thing's badass. I want the wagon so bad. It looks like a salt flat car with the hubcaps on it.
It's there that you'll come in. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother. Everybody get together. Try to love one another.
Chick magnet.
Come on, people now. Smile on your brother. Everybody get together. Try to love one another right now. Right now. I gave a girl a ride in the wagon. She crawled in and took control.
What's up, Nate? Oh, not much. You got yours here? Yep. Where are you at?
Won't be so hard to do. If you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars up above, why must I be a teenager in love? I cried a tear for nobody but you. I'll be a lonely one if you should say when. Why must I be
Well, go look at another Camaro. They're like belly button cars.
in love?
Everybody's got one, but it's awesome. Oh, he's got a Tommy sitting in the back.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
67. Dude, this sounded good when it drove past in the cruise. It's a flathead. Straight six. It's flathead.
Don't touch the button.
Served the United States Army from 1968 to 1969.
He's
Tom
a Ford.
Mangert, M-A-N-G-E-R-T. You are our next winner. Compliments of Sizzle and Sonny's Rock and Road Show. Lehman Excavating and Transport, The Red Fox, Rosemore Village, Jim and Faye Schrader, Shelmet Precision Casting Company, Sluggers Sports Bar and Grill, SOB Trucking, State Farm, The Dop Agency, Tom's Garage, Thrivens, Trade Tech. Over to Tom, and he can tell you his
Yeah, I got our
story.
first Buick Grand Sport Stage 2,
Gentlemen,
apparently.
very happy to be here today at
Ultra
Wild
rare.
Rose. My name is Tom Mangert. I'm with the Legion Post 161 at King, and I'm the rifle team honor guard there. Last week, I finished 116 military funerals, and I have 5 more this week. And thank you so much for coming out today. We had a great day. I thought
Lovely
the
car.
fog was going to hang out, but
Yes, Mickey.
How you call your lover boy?
Come here, lover boy.
And if he doesn't answer?
Oh, lover boy.
And if he still doesn't answer?
I simply say, baby. Oh, baby. My sweet baby. You're the one.
Once again, the Jeff Jackal annual burnout on Highway 22. Maybe the police department is in the opposite direction. Hooping contest. Come over, grab a hoop. It's around the waist only. Do not bend the hoops, get them across the grass or anything like that. If you bend them. So if your kids want to see the burnout, we don't start the hula hoop contest until after the burnout. Can't do that with a hula hoop. Cannot do that. Put the hoops down and then go over
Look at
and
that
watch
vinyl
the burnout
top.
if you want. We're not going to start the contest till after the burnout. And it appears everybody's walking over the road. Evergreen's getting himself parked over there. So if we need a volunteer or some car to stopped off by the cops.
No, I'm not sure I want to race that on the hunt.
That's
Still
pretty
waiting
cool.
for Jeff Jackal to show.
Huh?
780 horsepower, is that overall like total horsepower, or is that just the engine?
Probably just the engine.
It's probably got almost 200 plus horsepower after everything else.
Dude, they really brought the show tonight. I like it. Now here's a Shelby. It's an original. It ain't a remake. This is awesome. Everything's so chrome. It's awesome. '72. Hey, this is the Independent Chevelle. This is the same body and gear. You ever heard of that Independent Chevelle? It's a famous burnout car.
Okay.
Yeah. Go check out Vice Grip Garage. That's where it's at. It sat for like, I think 30 something years.
2 Corvettes, 4 Mustangs.
Kind of like that one on the hood, the speaker there.
Yeah, mine's smaller though. It's like just a little, like 130 to 132nd scale.
And many people have been asking.
Dude, I'd love to have one of these. This is like my dream Corvette.
Give an update on that. Jeff Jackal's annual burnout.
Guys thinking they gave me 3 goddamn awards this year. Called my name 3 times. I didn't want to go back. I didn't want to go back. I felt guilty. Everybody looking at 97 cars and I pulled 3 awards. I don't need 2. They gave me the best in class. Then he called me for
Yeah, completely.
anyway, I walked up and said, why don't you get somebody else? Why do you want to get me 2?
It's got
We just add the ballot.
Yeah.
That's all we do.
My dad's truck went without AC for like 2 years.
Then I got the
Dude, I don't got any AC or power steering in my car. I've been driving it for 2 years like that.
he looked at me before I gave him
Eventually. Gets the forearms built up. Oh, it's got the sniper Holly system set up into it. See the little screen on the dash?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's been modified. This is awesome.
Well, it looks like it's
Let's do them first. We're actually using injectors, but it's a little better than the puppet thing. And injectors,
That's awesome. All right, go.
I've seen that bridge before.
Wait, are the brake drums yellow on this?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
then he put it in and he
That's pretty cool. I like that. Dude, look at the manifolds on this. That's pretty cool. I would not want to change spark plugs on some of these vehicles.
So you gotta take a lot of stuff.
Huh?
Well, you gotta take a whole bunch of caps off to get to the one vehicle.
We're changing direction. I see an anniversary Trans Am. Let's go. All right, we'll see you guys over there.
Collector plate and a hobbyist plate.
Hobbyist, I believe, is 100% original. Well, no, I think collectors is original.
Okay.
Hobbyist, you know, somebody told me this not that long ago.
They work on it.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. That's a good question. I completely forgot. Yeah, this is much better. Just walking past all of them. Oh, dude, this one I saw. I enjoyed this.
For any of the kids that want to be in a hula hooping contest coming up in 5 minutes.
I love the car.
I'd like to remind everybody that the Pup Scout Pack 3650 supports the Scouts by buying popcorn or
It's a
dropping
41.
in just for a donation in their bucket. Once
Fuck
again.
yeah. That here soda.
Yeah, she's thirsty.
You don't ask me.
I know. What?
You just paused. I don't.
Oh, I got stretched.
And
3 drops. Last call. Any kid has a hula hoop around the waist will get a prize. After the third drop, you keep the hula
That one?
hoop
Yeah, I
at
had
your
it.
waist.
yeah, I know.
At your feet.
I got
sorry,
pictures of
at
it.
your feet. I will come over and give you your prize. 3 drops you get, and this is honesty. Don't pick it up for 4, 5, 6 times because there's people watching you. Believe it or not, it might not be me, but it'll be someone else. 3 drops. It's $1 a minute to 10 minutes. If a child makes it to 10 minutes, you have the opportunity to take me on for the DJ challenge, deal or no deal, to a $100 bill. Last night at Evergreen,
Fancy.
this boy, which is unbelievable, most of the time, 90% of the time, girls win this contest. He won $40 last night. $40. He went for 60, but said no deal, and he won $40.
Approved. Do you see how lifted that thing was?
I'll turn my lights on.
Ooh, are they custom headlights?
We got married.
I'm here.
So I love it.
This
Yeah,
is the only time during the car show that we play music.
Actually, I have like, out of all my little toy cars, I'm a toy boss.
Yeah.
It's like, it's black with a gray.
All right, got another Royal. Let's go. Oh yeah, I'd drive that. Where the heck did you find this?
The Declaration of the Independence. A picture of that.
On what?
A short bed. Is this a long or is there both?
How many drops?
How much you asked the guy? He's right there.
0.
That's awesome.
Makes it to the end.
Yeah.
It is an
67.
honor and a privilege to be here. The Wild Rose Classic Car Show, yours truly, Sizzle and Sonny's Rock and Roll Show, with another number here. It's the same number. We're going to be doing it again. 074 074 start over. 074 708
Ooh, Land Rover.
7. There's too many sevens in that one. $412.50, I believe. That's a lot of cash. So anyway, it goes. This is the Treehouse 50-50 raffle.
What year is it? 53. Awesome. I've always wanted one of these. These things are pretty interesting.
Cool they are. You like that?
Is it pretty hard to work on?
Somebody who can shave an axe handle from a persimmon sprout, shoe a horse with a hunk of car tire.
Maybe I can make it next year with mine.
Feed sacks and shoe scraps.
But
Through planting time and harvest season will finish his 40-hour week by Tuesday noon and then painting from tractor back.
Was originally published by United Press International by Lewis Cassos, a longtime friend of mine.
this one? Oh. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Okay, that's cool.
What to my surprise, a little Nash Rambler was following me about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me out as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shit. But the little Nash Rambler stayed right behind. He still had on his brake. He must have thought it's not really wise. The little Nash Rambler was right behind. I think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. This one went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110. This certainly was a race. For Rambler to pass a caddy would be a big disgrace. The guy was going to pass me out. He's got them doing his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac was not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. This one went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 120 as fast as I could go. The Rambler alongside of me as if we're going slow.
First I thought Mason was here. It's a Cadillac, I believe. No, it's an Oldsmobile. No, he's right. Continental. I probably messed that all up. '79 Trans Am anniversary, 10th edition. Is this one dual carb? No, it's a single. AMC. One company I wish was still here.
You were making like $30, $40 an hour.
Look at the fucking bumper. Why so big? Oh my god.
I've seen one Buick. One Buick.
I know, man. That's crazy.
Oh, actually, there's two. Nate's is here.
Well, yeah, I don't. What's a Roadmaster?
It's a Buick. Oh, hold up. I see something. It's either, no. Not it. No, the black car, a couple up. Thought it was a Buick.
You'll figure it out.
Green lights. That's the second car I've seen.
Another Shelby. This one was here last year. This is the one that Jack picked.
Okay, we'd like to have everybody's attention one more time. This is the last call on the 50/50 Treehouse raffle. It's worth $412.50. This is your last call. We will be drawing another number within 5 minutes after we announce it. So we'll give you a silver time if you're way in the
It's got a
back
Voodoo
row.
camshaft in it.
Here we
Same
go.
camshaft
On
I got in
the
my
blue
Buick.
ticket 50/50 raffle. It's 074 at 5 minutes.
Look at the lights.
That is awesome. This is a pretty car.
Big motor.
Mercury Cyclone. Okay, this is cool.
It's fucking cool.
Yeah. That's good. That's stinker.
I saw one last 125.
Station wagon. Overhead. Got an overhead for your time machine. This is cool.
The last thing I remember, Doc, I started to swerve, and then I saw the Jag slide into the curve.
He had whatever they call it. When he put his
40?
his price on it. And then they had to meet that price.
This is what I was excited to see. 10th anniversary, 1970, Trans Am. These came with an Oldsmobile. Some of them. And then some came with a 400 with a 4-speed. This one is an automatic with the Oldsmobile in it. Hi.
Kleenex box pullers.
Really? Yeah. This is awesome. Was this a pace car?
They made 1,153.
Wow. Saw this one in the cruise. This caught my eye. Ooh, straight 6. It's got the Mexican blankets. That's awesome.
One of the strangest sad songs ever written.
Ooh, 454. She's big black flavored. Oh yeah. That's awesome. 68. It's a 68. It's 1 year before mine.
No way.
Yes, wait. This is the one I saw last year. It's a 4-speed on the floor. It's got wow. This is beautiful. Where'd you find this one?
Iola Car Show.
Iola?
Yep. Wow. Yeah, that'll push some power.
Dude, look at the interior. Wow. Logan.
Wow.
Holy. Wow, that's gorgeous. Hey Logan, take a look in the back here. This is awesome.
Yeah, follow me up. That's
And if you're Catholic and you want to go to church, they have a mass at 10 o'clock.
It's got boom booms. Smoking Bandit. Dude, they ran the anniversary, so my dad's in Smoking the Bandit too. So that was awesome. Military vehicles.
That's not the that's like the next.
Good luck with yours.
Thank you, I'm gonna need it. Oh, you guys should smell that. Oh, that is amazing. All right, onward. Ford Coupe.
66. Yeah. Well, there's a flipping license.
Here's your car, Logan. We know. Ooh, look at that. Power.
Go ahead, check it out. What does that smell? Smells like fried chicken. What's that smell? French fries.
Oh, this is cool. Wow. Is that a BMW? Yeah. This is awesome.
Thank you. There's kind of a cool advertisement in a German publication where the girl comes out and she's looking at the Isetta, and then she says something in German like, "I thought you said you owned a BMW," to the guy, because she was so surprised to see it. You know, I didn't expect that to be a BMW. You know.
I think it's a Ford. Dodge. Not this. I'm talking about that. Hey, there's another 79 Trans Am, the gold one.
Oh wow. They just keep coming in.
Dude, I'm happy I got to see the view.
Yeah, and it flew away like that. That's cool.
Dude, I lit up.
Tell me why that kind of happens here. Pretty clean, not really.
Another Buick. Fuck yeah. What's up? Oh, the cam for the bumper? That's cool. Mach 1. Model A. That's cool. Straight forward, fly ahead. Original. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Look at the window.
Hey Logan, look at the ceiling.
That's crazy.
There it sits, the Rivy. We'll get to it. Can't push it. You know, you'd have a Mustang too, but
Yeah.
ooh, she got a 3-pack on her. So 6-pack, technically. Nice. Rivy, here I come. Oh, it's got spotlights. That's awesome. Oh, it is a 65. How's it going?
Smaller darts. From the Ballad of Ira Hayes to the Ballad of Old.
This is my dream Rivy. It is. The hideaway headlights. Then the dog going on the car. That's normal. Oh, that's cool. Hey, Logan. That's cool.
Is that on Saturday?
There was a bunch of tractors there.
That one's pretty cool. Give him that to drive, man. Got our Buick. See the Buick Regal that Vice Grip Garage saved? Buick Regal T-Type. That's super cool. .455 swapped. Oh, we got another Buick straight 8.
In the background, we got a little bit of that.
Another 79.
White coat man, Marty Robbins.
It's a 4-speed or automatic?
He's going for the red tickets right now.
Automatic.
And ticket number 296.
All right, now to see if the Buick is a straight 8 or swap.
849.
The winner is straight 8. Yeah.
Painting number 1 over by the registration area. Go on
Logan.
over there. They're all numbered.
That's a straight 8.
296. 849. Red ticket. Painting number 1.
Oh yeah.
Painting number 2 is
this run?
29609.
How do you think it got here?
As a matter of fact, they're all going to be getting 296, so we'll just forget the
That's I don't know. Fuck yeah.